Hey everybody, welcome back to C.I.Y Reviews. Today I will be doing a review for the homemade version of McDonald's of Kitkat Mcflurry. I think that's the name of it. I got ice cream. Now usually I make ice cream from scratch, but not today. Tell me what this is, Yana.
Strawberry.
You just got to be in the video today.
Strawberry gelatin dessert.
So yeah. Also, you gonna need Kitkat. You need that. It's a Kitkat Mcflurry. So yeah, that's what I have. And I have additional strawberries. Now, I don't think they had, well, they didn't have additional strawberries, but I'm going to have it. So that's about it, y'all. I'm going to get started. Okay, I put all my ice cream in a bowl. So I'm just going to put this in here. I'll let y'all know what I'll do in a minute. Come on, get on in here. I probably should put some on top for garnish. I'm going to leave these two on the side. Now, crush in my chocolate. But you want to crush it, wash your hands.
Eat this part?
Nope. Let's try to eat. You know, like, just go have a seat. Wash your hands and have a seat. So I already see where it's going at. I'm gonna finish this off. If I don't have none left with my daughter.
A few moments later.
Here.
What is that?
You're welcome.
Thank you.
Okay. Hey y'all. Okay, I'm just gonna reserve the rest for the top of it. Now I'm gonna take it. I'm gonna make it like Cold Stone style. How to be? Well, I ain't got the two. What you call? How they put it, mix it all together. But I'm gonna do something. Okay, I mixed it up the best I could. I'm gonna transfer it to a cup now. Don't pay attention to the logo and all that. And before I do, I put some in there. Like I said, since they have, if you see that, what you call it, that review, you know. It tastes a little bit like strawberries, even though they have the color. So I'm not going to mix it, but I'm going to take a little bit of this powdered gelatin and just sprinkle it so it can have that taste, and I'm eating that. So like I said, I smelled it, I tasted it, but the color was not there like that. This is like more of an off-white color. I should have had the other vanilla, but it is what it is. Don't matter. But if y'all want to use that kind, I think it's called the vanilla bean one, get that one. Alright, I'm gonna sprinkle a little bit of that, more of that gelatin. Some more of this crushed candy. Wait, I'm gonna put this on. Actually, my daughter said, who look better? McDonald's or mine are the same. She's also the same. Yeah, McDonald's can never. Yes, y'all looking so good. Tell me why it looks so good. And I know it's gonna taste so good. Hey, y'all. About to get into it. Tell me why it looks so good. Tell me why it smells so good. And I know it's gonna taste so good. Yeah, I was at McDonald's. Actually, they're coming for my kids. So I'm like, I think I'll try it today. So yeah, I tried it. Can you see it? Let she see that. What's wait for? It's in his voice.
What are you waiting for?
However, I'm gonna get it to mine. Not try it. Talk about you McDonald's? Mickey D's? Mickey D's! Now tell me why I'm just finding out this and record my whole review. But it's cool though, because I didn't know it had bananas in it. And I know I gotta add it in it. So now tell me why that thing cut me off. How rude. How dare you? It don't matter though, because I forgot to add an ingredient. But I'm gonna do it right now. So yeah, I'm gonna add in my banana because I didn't know it had banana in it. And I'm gonna do the exact same thing I did for the last one. Okay, I have the ice cream in a bowl. Now I'm gonna put in a majority of my strawberries. I'm gonna get some of my bananas a little bit, but it is what it is. The sweeter the better. Now I'm gonna get this candy and open it. And just crush it. Alright, so now I put the chocolate. I'm just gonna like mix it a little bit. I'm gonna put it in the glass this time because the cup is occupied.
What does that mean?
It's being used for something else. I forgot to sprinkle the pink stuff like last time. Alright, I'm just gonna sprinkle some on top because I forgot to do it. I'm not gonna take it all off again. Guess what else to do it? Sprinkle a little bit on top. Sprinkle, sprinkle.
I look good.
Thank you. Yes, y'all. This is how it does. That's what it is. Yes. Y'all see it? Even though it's dripping. Dripping with swag. Dripping with deliciousness. It's dripping. saucy. Liquid. Okay. I'm gonna use a spoon because this is like falling everywhere. Get a hold of yourself. That's good. I definitely taste the bananas now too. Well, I didn't have bananas before. Want some banana?
Yep. The only thing I don't like is the banana.
Oh, you don't want the bananas in there?
No.
Okay. What would you rate it?
I rate McDonald's 25, I rate your other one 30, and I rate this one 20.
Okay, okay. Alright then. Still don't like the bananas, but it tastes just like a sundae. Cause you know I have all that in there. It tastes like a sundae though. It's good.